This is an update video on the 69 Mustang. I went with a set of wheels and tires from CJ Ponies. I think they're Nitto tires, 17x8s all around. And I've did a little bit of work with interior, sound deadening, carpeting, a little bit of wiring. Really haven't made too much progress on it. I've had other stuff going on. I stripped the wood grain vinyl off the gauge panel and the glove box panel and put like a red carbon fiber wrap on it, and plan on doing that with the doors as well. I've messed with the brakes a little bit. I've got a brake booster. I'm putting power brakes, power steering on the car. I've run some of the brake lines. Haven't got too far with that because the kit I got really isn't adding up. Wrong lines, wrong fittings. Kind of a headache, but it's trial and error, I guess. But got a decent amount of interior work done, weather stripping, doors, got both of them built, both of them somewhat done. Still got to put the sound deadening on the inside of them, and the door panels, I have to finish them. But it's still coming along. Here's a latest edition, I guess. My girlfriend recently got a 65 Mustang. It's a GT coupe. Factory 4-speed, 289 car. Got it for a decent price. It's a running driving car, surprisingly. Not a whole lot of rust in it. Floor pans have already been replaced. Most of the interior I've already kind of taken out, cleaning it up little pieces at a time because I want to keep it driving at the moment. But probably gonna plan on getting 2 doors since they're pretty well rusted out, as you can kind of see in the corner there. But we're doing like one panel at a time, fixing up slowly. Not quite sure what direction we're gonna head into it, what color we're gonna paint it, but it's gonna be a nice little project, I guess. The car does have factory front disc brakes, which is nice. We'll probably end up putting power brakes on it. Not sure we'll put power steering on it, but we don't need too many necessities. It does have late model Mustang wheels on it, which I'm not a huge fan of, but they'll work for the time being, I guess. And I'll probably post a couple more update videos as time goes on, but thanks for watching.